bunker here. It's like a giant sort of concrete block.
Yeah, down in the studio for sure.
Well, we heard it here, so it was very cool. Sarah posted about it on Facebook. Looks something like this. You can check it out for yourself. Looks like this. So yeah, that was our reaction when we heard the thunder here in the Weather Center. It was very loud. You heard it booming across central Ohio. So it's starting around 3 o'clock, and in Madison County, as these storms tracked across the metro area, a lot of lightning to go with that. And part of that is because we've got some rising air out there. And you probably remember Jim's talked about this a lot, right? If you get thunder in February, it means frost in May on the same day. So let's see what happens in May and see if we get some thunder on the 26th of May later this season. Now, in the meantime, what's happening out there? So we have some rising air because we have very cool air on one side of I-70 and warm air on the other side, meeting right there along the I-70 corridor, pushing it up. And so once it gets up into what becomes the clouds, then it starts creating some ice crystals, and those knock around a little bit. They create some friction, and that creates the lightning. When you get the lightning, it superheats the air very quickly, and you get a boom from that because it's basically a shock wave. It grows fast, and so in 5 seconds, it can travel about a mile. So that's why if you count the seconds, you can figure out about how far away the lightning strike was. So this afternoon, we were able to do a lot of that. There's still more rain off to our west. That will continue to move in here during the evening tonight, but the heaviest is now east of I-77. Columbus itself, kind of on the back edge of that for the moment. There is some heavier rain, a little bit in Mount Vernon, on up into Millersburg, some out near Mansfield, up into Ashland, but we are drying out momentarily with more rain on the way. 49 right now at John Glenn Columbus International Airport, wind out of the east at 10 miles per hour. But the difference over a very short distance is really what's been incredible today. Cleveland was in the 30s, Toledo in the 30s, but we hit 70 plus in parts of Ohio along the Ohio River. Lancaster is still at 53, but it's 39 in Mount Vernon. Marion's at 41, but Chillicothe's at 61 right now. So we're still going to plan on some more scattered showers, maybe a little thunder later tonight, but nothing severe out of this. Thursday morning, some of this dries out. You could get a little patchy fog to start your day tomorrow morning. Overnight tonight, we'll drop to 40 degrees. The wind may prevent the fog, but where you're protected from the wind, you might end up with enough moisture to make that happen. Here's your day on Thursday. We're mainly cloudy for the first half of the day, but another chance for rain shows up in the afternoon and early evening. So as this system begins to make its way through here, northern Ohio can end up with a little bit of on and off rain-snow mix, even some snowflakes, but we'll just stay rain here, and it won't last long. But Thursday afternoon and evening, plan on a chance for some scattered showers. 40 for the early morning low. We'll get back up to around 49 by the time we get to Thursday's afternoon commute. That high does put us above average yet again tomorrow. Then it's cooler by the time we get to Saturday. Saturday, big game at the Shoe. Outdoor hockey.